The Sun is the center of our solar system, a massive sphere of glowing plasma that provides the energy necessary for life on Earth. It is classified as a G-type main sequence star, or simply a yellow dwarf. Despite being average in size compared to other stars in the galaxy, the Sun's influence extends far beyond its surface. Deep in the core of the Sun, nuclear fusion occurs. Here, hydrogen atoms combine to form helium, releasing an enormous amount of energy in the process. This energy travels outward through the radiative zone and eventually reaches the surface, the photosphere, before radiating into space as light and heat. It takes light approximately 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel from the Sun to Earth, a reminder of the vast distance between our planet and its life-giving star. The Sun's surface temperature is approximately 5,500 degrees Celsius, or 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit. Above this lies the corona, the Sun's outer atmosphere, which can reach temperatures of several million degrees. The reason for this extreme heat remains a mystery, one that continues to intrigue scientists. The Sun accounts for 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system. Its immense gravitational pull keeps all the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets in orbit. Without it, the delicate balance of our solar system would collapse. Incredibly, the Sun is large enough to fit approximately 1.3 million Earths inside it. Though the Sun appears constant to us, it is a dynamic and ever-changing star. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections periodically release bursts of energy into space, sometimes impacting Earth's magnetic field and creating the auroras near the poles. The Sun, while immense and powerful, is but one of billions of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Yet to us, it is uniquely vital, a cosmic powerhouse that illuminates, warms, and sustains our world. Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, is also the closest to the Sun. Named after the Roman messenger god, Mercury moves through space with remarkable speed, completing one orbit around the Sun in just 88 Earth days. This swift journey earns it the title of the fastest planet. Despite its proximity to the Sun, Mercury is not the hottest planet. Its lack of a significant atmosphere allows heat to escape quickly, leading to dramatic temperature fluctuations. During the day, surface temperatures can soar to 430 degrees Celsius, or 800 degrees Fahrenheit. At night, however, they plunge to an icy -180 degrees Celsius, or -290 degrees Fahrenheit. Mercury's surface is scarred with craters from billions of years of asteroid impacts, a feature it shares with our Moon. One of its most notable craters is the Caloris Basin, spanning about 1,550 kilometers, or 960 miles, in diameter. This massive impact structure provides a glimpse into the planet's violent history. The planet has almost no atmosphere, only a tenuous layer of exosphere composed of oxygen, sodium, and other trace elements. Without a protective atmosphere, Mercury's surface is constantly bombarded by solar radiation and micrometeoroids. One of the planet's most intriguing characteristics is its unusual rotation. Mercury spins slowly, taking 59 Earth days to complete one rotation. This means that a single day-night cycle on Mercury lasts 176 Earth days, causing prolonged periods of scorching sunlight, followed by extended darkness. Mercury also has a surprisingly strong magnetic field for its size, generated by its partially liquid iron core. This magnetic field, though only about 1% as strong as Earth's, interacts with the solar wind to create a unique environment around the planet. Though small and desolate, Mercury remains a fascinating world. Its extreme conditions, swift motion, and ancient surface tell the story of a planet shaped by the relentless forces of the Sun and space. Venus, often called Earth's twin, is similar in size and composition to our planet. However, beneath its thick golden clouds lies a world unlike any other. Venus is a planet of extremes, where temperatures and pressures defy comparison. Orbiting the Sun at a distance of about 108 million kilometers, or 67 million miles, Venus is the second planet from the Sun. Despite being farther from the Sun than Mercury, Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Its thick atmosphere, composed primarily of carbon dioxide, traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect, pushing surface temperatures to a scorching 475 degrees Celsius, or 900 degrees Fahrenheit. The atmosphere of Venus is shrouded in thick layers of sulfuric acid clouds, reflecting much of the sunlight that hits the planet. This gives Venus its brilliant appearance in the sky, making it one of the brightest objects visible from Earth. Venus has been called the morning star and evening star for centuries, as it can be seen just before sunrise or after sunset. One of the most unusual features of Venus is its rotation. It spins slowly on its axis, taking 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. Oddly, this is longer than its year, which lasts just 225 Earth days. Additionally, Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most other planets, causing the Sun to rise in the west and set in the east. The surface of Venus is a harsh, rocky landscape marked by vast plains, volcanic mountains, and deep craters. It is dominated by volcanic activity, with over 1,600 major volcanoes mapped on its surface. Scientists believe that Venus may still be volcanically active today, with some eruptions possibly occurring in recent geological time. The dense atmosphere exerts an incredible pressure, about 92 times that of Earth's surface. Standing on Venus would feel like being nearly a kilometer underwater on Earth. Despite these extreme conditions, Venus remains a target of scientific fascination. Past missions, such as NASA's Magellan spacecraft, have mapped its surface using radar, while future missions aim to uncover more about its geological activity and atmospheric mysteries. Venus, with its searing heat and crushing atmosphere, offers a glimpse into the potential extremes of planetary evolution. Though it may be inhospitable to life as we know it, it stands as a stark reminder of the delicate balance that allows Earth to thrive. Earth, our home, is the third planet from the Sun and the only known world to harbor life. It is often described as the blue planet due to its vast oceans, which cover about 71% of its surface. From its lush forests and sprawling deserts to its icy poles and vibrant cities, Earth is a planet of extraordinary diversity. Orbiting the Sun at a distance of approximately 150 million kilometers, or 93 million miles, Earth resides in what is known as the habitable zone. This is the region where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist, a crucial ingredient for life. Earth's atmosphere is a unique blend of gases including nitrogen, oxygen, and trace amounts of carbon dioxide and water vapor. This combination not only supports life, but also regulates the planet's temperature through the greenhouse effect, keeping it warm enough for ecosystems to thrive. The atmosphere also shields the surface from harmful solar radiation and incoming meteoroids, many of which burn up as they enter. One of Earth's defining features is its active geology. The planet's crust is divided into tectonic plates that float on the mantle. Their movement creates earthquakes, volcanoes, and mountain ranges, constantly reshaping the surface over millions of years. This dynamic system recycles nutrients and maintains the delicate balance necessary for life. Earth's magnetic field, generated by the motion of molten iron in its core, protects the planet from solar wind and cosmic radiation. This magnetic shield also creates breathtaking auroras near the poles when charged particles from the Sun interact with the atmosphere. A single day on Earth lasts 24 hours, while a year takes 365.25 days. This slight fraction creates the need for a leap year every 4 years to align our calendars with the planet's orbit. Earth's moon, the only natural satellite in orbit around the planet, plays a significant role in stabilizing Earth's tilt. This stability gives rise to consistent seasons and influences tides, which are vital for marine ecosystems. The planet's history stretches back over 4.5 billion years, yet human life has existed for only a tiny fraction of that time. Over billions of years, Earth has undergone dramatic transformations, from its fiery beginnings to its current life-supporting state. Earth is not only a planet of scientific fascination, but also a reminder of the fragile balance that sustains life. From the depths of its oceans to the peaks of its highest mountains, Earth is a testament to the complexity and beauty of the cosmos. Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, has captivated human imagination for centuries. Known as the Red Planet due to its iron-rich soil that gives it a rust-like hue, Mars is a world of extremes and contrasts. Orbiting the Sun at a distance of about 228 million kilometers, or 142 million miles, Mars is roughly half the size of Earth. Its days, known as sols, are surprisingly familiar, lasting about 24 hours and 37 minutes. However, a Martian year stretches out to 687 Earth days, nearly twice as long as a year on Earth. The surface of Mars is a frozen desert, marked by towering volcanoes, vast canyons, and endless plains. The planet is home to Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, which stands an astonishing 21 kilometers or 13 miles high, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Equally impressive is Valles Marineris, a canyon system that runs over 4,000 kilometers, or 2,500 miles long, dwarfing the Grand Canyon. Mars has a thin atmosphere, composed mostly of carbon dioxide, with trace amounts of nitrogen and argon. This thin atmosphere offers little protection from solar radiation, and temperatures can range from a frigid -125 degrees Celsius, or -195 degrees Fahrenheit, at night to a more tolerable 20 degrees Celsius, or 68 degrees Fahrenheit, near the equator during the day. The planet's surface bears evidence of a watery past. Dried-up riverbeds, ancient lake basins, and minerals that form in water suggest that Mars once had liquid water flowing across its surface. Today, water exists mostly as ice, locked away in polar caps and beneath the soil. Mars also experiences the largest dust storms in the solar system. These storms can grow to engulf the entire planet, lasting for weeks and creating a red haze that obscures the surface. With 2 small moons, Phobos and Deimos, Mars is also unique in its celestial companions. These irregularly shaped moons are thought to be captured asteroids, and their peculiar orbits provide a fascinating glimpse into the dynamics of the Martian system. For humans, Mars represents the next frontier. Numerous robotic missions, such as the Perseverance rover and Ingenuity helicopter, are paving the way for future exploration. Scientists are even studying the feasibility of establishing a human presence on Mars, using its resources to sustain life and possibly creating a second home for humanity. Mars is a planet of wonder, mystery, and potential. Its cold deserts and dusty plains hold clues to the past and promise opportunities for the future, making it one of the most intriguing destinations in our solar system.